As curious beings, we humans have the constant desire to not only understand ourselves, but also understand the world around us. We are trying to understand what does human existence mean and what is reality.
What is real? How do you define real?
No human can crack that code just yet, but all we can do is simply believe a theory. Before you attack me with something like,
But you don't believe in evolution?
let me ask you to be open to a new theory and think about it from a fresh perspective.
So now, the real question is, who put those fossils there and why?
Even though there have been scientific breakthroughs and discoveries showing us more and more about our reality, as scientists are beginning to understand the mystery of quantum physics, we can contemplate that the idea of space and time might be an illusion.
It's not very scientific, Murph.
You said science is about admitting what we don't know.
Earlier, science believed that the universe exists as a separate entity, regardless of our connection to it. But we are all connected to the Earth as well as the universe. Quantum physics proves that everything in life is connected, as everything is energy, which is essentially what you need to create your reality. This energy has its own intelligence which cannot be described in a physical sense. And the same energy is called consciousness by spiritualists. This means that our belief systems affect our reality, which no longer makes this just a spiritual concept. There are some striking similarities between us and the universe. And doesn't that make you wonder how connected you are to everything? Think about it this way. The source of all light is in the eye. If there were no eyes in this world, there would be no light. Hence, you evoke light in the world around you. Therefore, what you call the external world is as much you as your own body.
It's all the same.
Now the question arises. If all reality exists in my mind, then can I create my own reality just the way I want? Have I been constructing my reality all this while? Do I have everything under my control? To understand any of this, you need to be aware of the subconscious mind. It is the part of the mind which is much stronger than your conscious mind. When you are driving, you might be thinking about your destination, which is a conscious thought. Meanwhile, your subconscious is helping you to drive, being aware of the road, having you talk, constantly creating new memories, and is even helping you to breathe all at the same time. The subconscious mind controls your behaviors, physical symptoms, and even senses what is unseen by sensory organs. It is essentially the creator part of us. Before you feel like a superhero, you need to recall the power that the subconscious mind holds over you. And then think about how difficult it might be to modify anything within that subconscious. But if we make changes in our conscious mind, those changes will be stored in the subconscious mind and hence changed. Only once you practice driving consciously for months were you able to do it involuntarily. In simple words, if you become the person you want to be in your mind, then it will become your physical reality. Since we are all made up of energy, we are all vibrating constantly. And since you are a vibrating being, all the people and circumstances in your life around you are in the same vibrational frequency as you. As long as you strongly believe in the reality that you desire, you will be able to tune your frequency to people or possessions that are at the same frequency. So all the situations that arise in your life, the people that you meet, everything that unfolds in your life heavily depends on your subconscious belief. This means that all that we see around us is a reflection of what is within us. Every person that you interact with is like a mirror, a version of you. Perhaps you're watching this video because somewhere your subconscious wanted your consciousness to be more aware of itself. It is what you wanted or needed to hear. It is all a projection of your mind in front of your eyes.